How to sell on Displate, make money with print on demand. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to be talking about Displate and how you can actually use this incredible program to start making money with print on demand, okay? And it's one of the best ways that you can make print on demand money. And Displate is specifically known for all these metal posters, all these cool things that you can make, and it's a pretty premium artwork site. You can get licensed artworks from top brands like people from Star Wars, Stranger Things, Warhammer. You have Marvel, Cyberpunk, Harry Potter, Elden Ring, etc. And you can actually see the hottest picks for designs down here. So, there's stuff like Jared Leto, anime, astronauts, designs that look really cool, that are pretty cool to maybe add on a metal poster. So you're going to go with the necessary designs that would have a good outlook to them. And keeping those in mind, you're going to go ahead and you are going to join the actual Displate section. So we're going to open up Displate over here. And once you do that, you're going to add in your email. So to add in your email, you're going to come here. Let's add in an email. Then you're going to go into passwords and you're going to set a password for yourself. Now, once you do that, you're going to go with I'm not a robot. And once you do that, you're simply going to go ahead and click on login. So obviously that goes ahead and creates an account for you. And in the case that it does some issues for joining in, you can simply go ahead and create a very brand new account from the sign up section over here. You're going to add your password, necessary details, accept all the necessary things, click on I'm not a robot, and once you do that, click on create an account. Now, as we create an account, it brings us here and we've, successfully joined the Displate space. Now, once you're in your Displate space, you're a proper seller now. So you're going to go over to your profile and you're going to actually start adding products. Okay. So to add products, you can add additional magnets for yourself and you can actually see the partners that use Displate for their metal, things. So to start things off, you're going to go into your My Order section and you can actually see that you don't really have a lot to sell on Displate. So how do you sell on Displate? So you're going to come here, click on earn with Displate and click on sell your art. And obviously we have an account. So to start selling your art and start doing your print on demand business, you will want to contact them. So you're going to contact them, let them know through mail that, hey, I want to start selling on Displate using your services. You're going to send them your online portfolio because Displate is a very trusted and huge marketplace, which is trusted by people like Cyberpunk, Marvel, Warhammer, all these huge names. So they don't just let everyone in to, their website to start selling things. So you are going to want to make sure to send them a portfolio to let them know you're a serious seller. And once you are a serious seller, you can start selling designs in the easiest, most simplest way on Displate. And once you get the hang of that, you're going to be set to go when it comes to working with Displate. So how do you create a design for your print on demand for Displate? So you can use different providers. Okay, you can either use Canva, you can use Photoshop, use all the main big boys that will create mockups for you. But I would personally go ahead and prefer you with something like Printify or Printful. So let's say I'm going to come here and we're going to go straight over to printify.com. Now, once you come over to printify.com, what's going to happen over here is you're going to go over and create an account for yourself. Now, once you create an account for yourself, the account creation process is relatively pretty easy. So once you go through all of that, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your store. Now, once you come over to your store, what's going to happen from there is you're going to get the necessary dashboard section. Now, over here, you can actually create this. So over here, you can either connect your stores to each other. Okay, now when it comes to connecting the stores to each other, you can, simply go over to your store settings over here, and it brings you to the store setup. So you can either see if your Displate actually connects to your Printify. Now, in the case it doesn't, you can connect it via API where you can ask a developer to, connect the API of your Printify store to your Displate. Now, once you do that, you can start creating products on your Printify. So to create products, you're going to come to catalog, and obviously on Displate, you can see that you can create artwork like these posters and all. So let's say we're going to come here. I'm going to go ahead and choose some type of home and living thing. So let's go with posters. Now, once you go with posters, you're going to choose, what poster looks cool. Let's go with this matte vertical poster. And once you go with your matte vertical poster, you're going to start designing this stuff. So we're going to click on start designing. And once you do that, you're going to add your design into this poster. So obviously I've already created my design, but you can create your very own design using things like Canva. You can create your own design using Photoshop, Illustrator, whatever you find easier working. And once you create things using all of that, you're pretty much good to go. Now, once you've created your designs, we're going to come here. You're going to go over to my device. You're going to add in the design that you created. Now, as I said, I already have a design. So here we go. I'm just going to add the design. It's going to take a few seconds to upload, so I'm just going to wait for it to do that. And once the whole design is uploaded, what you're simply going to do from there is you're going to go ahead and add the whole file to your library and all, and just stretch it out so it can fit the actual poster. And here we go. Obviously, don't worry about the pixelation. It will set the things in. As you can see, it looks pretty nice. It isn't ruined or anything. So once you set this in, you're going to choose the background color. Okay, now the background color could be dark. I would preferably go with the dark so it merges in with the design. And once you do that, you're going to click on Save Product. Now, once you click on Save Product, you can go ahead and add this into the actual poster design. And you can see, they create mockups that you can add onto other designs. And I'm going to simply click on Publish. Now, once you click on Publish, from here, what's going to be happening is that what's going to happen is you're going to get these different published mockups, and you can see you have the matte vertical posters over here. And if the API generation doesn't work, you can simply take all the data from these places and add it in your Displate once you get the get-go. And from there, what's going to happen is, you're going to run up a proper print-on-demand store on your Displate in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.